The year 1932, Dhirajlal Hirachand Ambani was born in a lower middle-class schoolteacher's family in Chorwad, Gujarat. At the age of 16, Ambani travels to the port city of Aden, where he begins working as a clerk at a service station. Ambani would remain in Aden for nearly 10 years, rising to become Burmah Shell's marketing manager. In year 1958, worsening political situation in Aden, Dhirjalal returns to India, where he starts a yarn trading business from a small 500 square feet office in Mumbai that Ambani rents for 2 hours per day. Reliance Commercial Corporation was established in partnership with Champaklal Damani, who was Dhirjalal's cousin. Initially, they started exporting spices as well as fabrics. After which Dhirjalal establishes a textile factory in Naroda near Ahmedabad. In 1965, Champaklal Damani and Dhirubhai Ambani ended their partnership due to differences in business strategies. After which in 1966 Dhirubhai Ambani established Reliance Textiles Industries. Later in some years Reliance Textiles was incorporated with Vimal Fabrics, and on 28 June 1975, RIL was converted into Public Limited Company. In year 1977, Reliance launches its initial public offering, with Dhirubhai Ambani introducing Equity Cult in India, a new model of business leadership from a base of the broadest public shareholding. The IPO of 2.8 million shares raised $1.8 million and is considered among the largest in India at the time. 1980s. Afterwards, Dhirubhai Ambani's elder son Mukesh was entrusted with the task and begins by overseeing the first phase of a polyester filament yarn in Patalganga, Maharashtra, and younger son Anil joins RIL. 1990s. RIL business diversifies. In 1990 the company becomes the first Indian company to raise money in global markets. In 1995 the group enters the telecommunications industry. In 1998, RIL enters the healthcare sector. In 2000, RIL Group profits cross 2,500 rupees crore mark, revenues cross 20,000 rupees crore mark, and total assets cross 50,000 rupees crore, which leads Reliance Industries Limited and Reliance Petroleum Limited become India's two largest companies in terms of all major financial parameters. In 2004, RIL becomes the first Indian private sector organization to be listed in the Fortune Global 500 list. In 2006, RIL splits in two, following 4 years of dispute between Mukesh and Anil. Mukesh gets Reliance Industries and Indian Petrochemicals Corporation Limited. The latter walks away from RIL with the conglomerates telecom, power, natural resources and financial services business, which form the core of what would be dubbed Reliance Group. After which RIL enters the organized retail segment through Reliance Retail, and Reliance Jio was incorporated in 2007 and launches its services in 2015. Reliance Jio becomes the only company in India that is capable of providing 4G services through the country. RIL is ranked 106th on the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's biggest corporations as of 2019. Recently in December 2020, Mukesh Ambani said, Jio 5G would roll out likely in second half of year 2021. So this was the journey of Reliance Industries till now. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos.